too much to the body by either guy.
Down!
Delayed the reaction to a shot that
3,
it's up to 4 and 5.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 18, 2015, dumayo si Nonito Doanire sa Macau, China para labanan ang matapang at dating European Bantamweight Champion na kababayan ni Nordine o Oubaali sa bansang France na si Anthony Sitol, non-title fight at nakaschedule lang sa 10 rounds. May kartadang 34 wins, 3 losses, 22 via KO si Donaire at 20 wins, 3 losses, 8 via KO naman kay Sitol. Sabay nating balikan mga pre at panoorin kung paano dinurog ni Donaire ang kalaban at tinapos ang bakbakan sa early rounds lang.
Nonito Doanire, a disciple of Bruce McTavish, the great Hall of Fame referee from the Philippines. You know that he's a very, very good fighter and he's only been stopped one time in his career. So Nonito.
Unang round, mainit na agad ang palitan. Mabibilis na mga suntok agad ang binibitawan nitong si The Flash sa mas matangkad na Frances na kalaban. Pero itong si Sitol, di naman nagpapalugi, gumaganti din para makabawi.
He wants to get his jab going and couldn't catch up with Rigondeaux. Well, he hopes to be able to catch up with Satul. Satul set up right in front of him, not a lot of sideways movement, which suits Donaire just fine. Donaire taking his time here in the early going. In his last fight, Donaire stopped for William Prado, kind of a journeyman fighter in the second round, and fight in Manila at 122 pounds. A little bit heavy, 123 is Donaire for this fight. And he said to me, even though he knocked out his last opponent, Prado, he wanted to work more with him, and when he saw the blood and when he heard him, he went after him. I said to him, when I talked to him yesterday, I said, but Nonito, that's what fighters do. He said, no, he says, I don't care, but I got to stay under control. Well, he looks pretty much under control right here. Got the jab working for him. Satul hasn't been able to do too much so far.
Pero sa huling segundo, bigla na lang napaluhod itong kalaban at nabilangan.
With the hands. Not giving a lot of head movement. Not too much to the body by either guy.
Down!
Delayed the reaction to a shot that
3,
it's up to 4 and 5. Can he get up?
6.
Bumangon naman agad ito, pero ilang segundo lang bagsak na naman.
Nonito Donaire landed, so let's see if Donaire can stay under control here with 35 seconds to go in this round. He's right on top of him. He clipped him with a pretty solid right hand. Nice shot right on the belly button there. So Tool looks like he's hurting pretty much with 20 seconds. My far left, and it looked like a right hand. And these body shots in the area of the liver taking a toll as well on Satul. Hard shot. Body shot. He's down.
3, 4,
5 and 6
6,
and 7 and 8. He's back up,
8.
and it's just about out of time in this round.
Okay. Box
There's the
time!
bell ending the round.
Sa replay, makikitang nasalo pala ni Anthony Sitol ang matitinding body punch ni Donaire kaya bagsak siya ng 2 beses sa unang round pa lang.
Left hand to the chin. Let's watch it again. This is the second time he catches him. This one's going to be a body shot. I know that right there. Right underneath there. Right on top of the liver.
Seconds
There's
out!
another look at that. There's a body shot right there.
Tuloy ang mas tumindi pang laban sa second round.
Nonito Doanire is exactly what he wants to be able to do with Satul, and it's working very, very well as he scored 2 knockdowns in the first round. One with a right hand upstairs with a delayed reaction by Satul, and then a real vicious body shot in the area of the liver that took him down right at the end of the closing seconds of round number 1. To stay under control. He trained very, very hard for this fight because he knows another world title's on the line. A couple of uppercuts. That sort of punch with the left hand, is a body shot just waiting to happen. There it is there in the right hand. comes upstairs a couple of times with, when I say a body shot waiting to happen, you know what he's thinking is to get those hands up to protect the head and come back down to the body.
Pero matapos ang isang minuto, nasalo na naman ni Sitol ang malakidlat na pamatay na kanan ni Donaire at bagsak ito sa pangatlong pagkakataon.
To slip it. So for the third time in the fight.
3,
It's up to 3 and 4 and 5.
Binilangan pa, pero corner na mismo niya ang naghagis ng puting tuwalya, hudyat ng pagsuko nila.
The third time he's been down, and the corner throws in the towel, saying technical knockout victory for Nonito Doanire, whose power just proved to be too much. So for the second fight in a row for Nonito, 2 second-round knockouts, but this was against a very good fighter in Anthony Satul, who had a European title at just the right time, and in fact, he caught him at just the wrong time. Because this guy's rededicated himself. This is more the flash of the Filipino flash that we used to. Just a right hand, right on the button. Tool. And it'll be scored as a second-round technical knockout victory for Nonito Doanire. You people watching us streaming in the Philippines, Nonito Doanire, if that makes you feel better. So Tool just not.
Panalo ang ating pambato via second round TKO.
All right, we'll get the official timing and whatnot from Lupe Contreras. So here we go.
Signals referee Dinurog stopped that sound that their fighter can no longer continue, obligating him to call a halt to this contest with an official time of 1 minute 41 seconds of round number 2. La contienda con un tiempo oficial de 1 minuto 41 segundos del segundo episodio. El vencedor por knockout técnico, your winner by way of technical knockout, the Filipino Flash.
Dinurog lang ni Nonito ang pinakaunang Frances na nakalaban niya. Kung may pangalawang Frances na dudurugin si Donaire, siya na kaya mga pre, si Nordine o Oubaali? Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Just a right hand, right on the button. This is the first knockdown. Let's see, that was an uppercut. And then the delayed reaction, so he caught him with the left hand to the chin. Let's watch it again. This is the second time he catches him. This one's going to be a body shot. I know that right there. Right underneath there. Right on top of the liver.
seconds
Another
out.
look at that. There's the body shot right there.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.